Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Supreme. This was dropped on August 30th, 2018. This is week number 2 drop. And this one is the studded beanies. I got the red one for $36 plus tax and then the shipping fee. $10 for shipping, and then the tax is $4.02. So the total is $50.02 for this package. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So again, you got this nice Supreme box logo shopping bag or a gift bag. Ooh, I still got the bouncy ball, which is pretty nice. I thought that they only give out this on the first week number 1. And then this is the box logo red stickers. Look at that. Nice Supreme embroidery. So this is the studded beanies. Fall Winter 18. I guess BN stand for beanie, and then 24. And this is the red color, and then that is the barcode or the UPC code number, and then the OS. So check them out. Hopefully it's good quality. As you can see, guys, you have all these studs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 on the back side. Should be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And this, you got this nice Supreme embroidery. As you can see, the finish. This is what's it look like on the top. And then the inside, let me try to do it inside out and let you guys see. And here is your Supreme label. Supreme New York City, 100% acrylic. Care instruction, hand wash cold. Do not bleach, dry flat. Do not iron. Made in China. And there is the RN number. Got the Japanese writing. 中国字 Made in China. So I'm not sure if the stud is the glue on. I don't see anything that goes through it. Huh. Yeah, it seems like it's stick on. I'm not sure if it's gonna, if the weather gets hot, I'm not sure it's gonna fall off. Sometimes the glue tend to get loosened, so we'll see. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on that bell for notification and drop any other comments on below. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.